setting it up for the concrete truck to transfer into that boom arm and pump that concrete all the way over there. We go through concrete truck after concrete truck. Once that concrete truck empties, then they bring in the next one. So that one empties, and they bring in another concrete truck. So now you can see concrete dispensing. It's a long arm that it pumps it all the way through. All the way from there, all the way over to the dispensing. Pretty neat process. Thanks for watching.